Spice Village is an eco-tourism resort in Kumily. The cabins here are surrounded by all sorts of spice plants and trees and pepper vines. And I'm really fortunate to have Chef Manoj here to tell me how he makes his special black pepper beef. Manoj, great to see you again.
Great to see you, Herbie. These are all the ingredients to make the marinate the beef. And I'm going to use the coconut oil and the shallots, red chilies, coriander seeds, fresh curry leaf, and the black pepper powder, and the fresh grated coconut. And that things we have to make it like a nice golden brown color. After making this golden brown color, we have to make a paste, adding the oil. After making the paste, you just apply on the beef and grill it.
Okay, what do we do next?
Actually, we have to make the masala. So Herbie, our pan is hot now. So a little bit of coconut oil. Now you can add the cardamom.
Beautiful green cardamom pods.
And the cinnamon sticks. Cloves. And stir it well. So it's give the flavor.
And that's really bringing the flavour out
Flavor
of the
out,
spices
yes,
into
it's
the
a
oil.
flavor. Now you can add the garlic and the ginger. So green chilies.
They're nice little hot ones, those, aren't they?
Is very hot actually.
Yeah.
So green chilies, and add little because we are going to use a lot of black pepper and the onions. And then you get the fresh curry leaf. And there is no ratio how much you can put. If you like the more flavor, you can go for a more curry leaf.
A real signature of South Indian cooking, the curry leaf.
Exactly, actually. So you can see it's turning into light brown color. Now you can reduce the temperature a bit. Otherwise the masala become black.
That will burn.
Burn actually. So you can reduce it and make a mold like this one. And add the masala stuff of the onions.
Aha, so
Okay.
you do that so the masala doesn't hit the pan and burn.
Exactly.
Aha.
You're great actually. So we can add a chili. And I told you reduce the chili and the chili powder. So little bit of a chili. And a pinch of a turmeric.
Some of that lovely dark Alapi turmeric.
Yeah.
Beautiful flavour.
And the garam masalas. And the more coriander. So black pepper beef roast. So I'm going to add a more
Lots.
pepper. Yeah, lots of pepper, yeah. It's good.
And coarsely cracked, which is good because that gives you the better
Fair
flavour.
flavor. And the fennel powder.
A little bit of fennel, that's good
Yeah.
because the fennel just adds a bit of lightness and freshness to the flavour profile, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah. That's just make it up, just
Well,
mix
it's
it
looking really
together.
good.
And you can add the tomatoes. Now you can just add a little water to just combine the masala. Thank you, Herbie. Don't forget to add the salt. The salt is always the main ingredient. So, put a bit of. So our masala is done now. Now what we are going to do is actually we can slice the beef, place it on the top and cover it with a lid. So until the beef is done.
And an option is to add just a little bit of coconut milk before serving.
That makes me actually really tastier because it gives it a little more gravy. You can have it with all the Indian breads. It'll be great.
I had the black pepper beef last night and we were sitting outside
Okay.
in the garden and it
what?
was just the most wonderful, peaceful surrounding. Personally, I love the flavour of black pepper, I think.
But it's my favorite spices is actually the black pepper.
Thanks very much, Manoj.
Thank you, Herbie.
Looking forward to having it.
Yeah, of course.